Yeah, any of these.
How you feel about strawberry? What's there? We got 10. Let's see. Let's count.
We're gonna be replanting this lemon tree that we got in Costco. She's looking a lot healthier right here, a lot more fuller too. And yeah, she's grown quite a bit. So let's do that. I have the things that I wanted to check out. I'm here for curtains for our master bedroom, and I already did some research on what curtains I thought looked good online. Okay, baby. The Billboard Anakaj Rosenmandel Bengta and Korgmot. But I don't like, it's not giving.
Okay. What is giving?
I like this.
Okay. This is giving.
Yeah, this is also one of it, Rosenmandel. We're back home and I didn't get any curtains from IKEA because the one that I really liked in terms of color and the texture had like that black plastic backing, and I didn't really know how to feel about that. Like it just felt too plasticky. So not that. I'm still like undecided, honestly. But I'm gonna have a look online right now to research what is the best option. So I have two things from IKEA that I think has potential. The only problem is, so the first one had that plasticky backing, and then the second one is a light filtering curtain. So it's not actually a blackout curtain, which is a bummer because we want blackout curtains in our bedroom, and yeah, it's not that. So back to the drawing board. You guys saw that we went running today. We're doing a 5K in a few weeks. I think it's next week, the end of next week. So we've been doing a run training plan, and so this is it right here. I wanted to show you. It has gold stars. So Brian found this online. He printed it out and he also got the gold stars. And actually, I know that like kids do this, but to me, it's been very effective because I want to get my gold stars. So we have not missed a single day so far. And I actually have to put these on. I'll show you this. I'll put a link below for this exact training plan. But yeah, it's been really fun doing it. At first it was hard because I thought like I couldn't do it. But the thing that I learned the most with running this time around is that you don't have to run to be fast. Everybody has different goals. And for some reason, growing up, I always thought that like I have to be fast when running. And every time I do that, my heart is beating so fast and so hard that it's harder for me to keep running. So this entire time, well, the first week that I did it, I was doing that same thing of like just run, like keep running. And yeah, I would feel my heart beat fast and it was hard for me to breathe. And I always thought that like, oh, like I have like a breathing issue, which wasn't the case. I just actually run too fast for what my body can do. After that, like around the second week, I just started to just take it really slow. Like it doesn't matter like the pace or whatever, just as long as like I can breathe and my heart is at a steady pace. I can't believe I'm actually saying this because I'm not a runner. I don't like running, but I actually enjoyed it. I've been enjoying it so far. I mean, every time we're like, oh, it's time to go run, like it sucks that we have to go do it, but when we're doing it, it actually feels good and I am enjoying it as we're doing it. Gonna get this, we did 25 minutes running. So every time you have to do a 5-minute walk as a warm-up, and then you do whatever, like it says on here. So, and like rest or cross train, I guess you can do whatever you want to do there, like lift weights or I don't know, play a sport. Just keep doing some sort of exercise during those days. But you can also just rest too, which there have been days where I do just rest. But yeah, we're gonna put this here. We are changing this up just because we have a 5K race on this day, so we are changing it up. And yeah, I can't believe we're almost done. Week 7, like that is crazy. And this is what I said. I wrote this down when I got this training plan, and I said, I don't know if I can run for 30 minutes straight, which I've been doing 25, and what more is another 5 minutes, you know? One thing to add is Brian made me this right here. It's a training plan for the 10K. Doing a 10K race is actually one of my bucket lists for this year, and he added photos of our cats right here. You see, that's Pearl, and then that's Tom. And at first I thought they were just random cats, and like I was happy with the random cats, but then I looked closer and it was our babies. So cute. I can't wait to do this and put stickers on there.